been out less than a month. He says 4 days. This is a female shepherd. We only use German shepherds now and then. And she's 22 months old. Her name is Dudes. We didn't name her.
Dudes!
Brendan.
So what we're showing here is some pre-bite control.
That's the
Constable
bad
Davey
guy.
Dobson is one of our handlers as well, and he's trying to act in a suspicious fashion, so to get the dog's focus. But the dog isn't reacting to that right now. He's focusing on him.
Leave me alone! Get out of here! Get out of here! Hey! Get out of here! Hey! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Hey!
Wow.
As you can see, the dog is still biting Constable Dobson because he still maintains his threat. He's not following commands, and now that he's flying still, the dog will come off, and the suspect will be taken.